Hello guys and welcome to the channel. If you ever forget the login password to your Linux machine, be it Kali Linux or Ubuntu, in this video I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do. And we'll begin with Kali Linux. But before we go into that, please take this moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share. Alright, first what you want to do is you want to start the Kali Linux by clicking this. And then while it's booting, you either press escape button or the up and down arrow. This will take you to the boot menu. So you either press the escape button or the up and down arrow. And you want to make sure that the Kali Linux GNU/Linux is highlighted. Next, what you need to do is press E, the button E, to take you to the menu where you can edit the details. Now, as you can see from the screen, you are looking for the line containing Linux. So, as you can see, we have Linux here. Now, this is the line we are interested in editing. So, you scroll all the way to the end. And then you see, just before the end, you see this space where it's written RO here. This stands for read only. And we want to modify it and make it read and write. So you have to clear this and put RW there. Then you go all the way to the end. You go all the way to the end and then add this command. Init is equal to /bin/bash. This is what you need to add to the end. Then you press Ctrl X. This will boot into the single user mode where you'll be able to edit the password that you've forgotten. And as you can see, it's displaying a bash window for me. Now, you can either modify the root password here or just the password to the Linux user you forgot the password to. So you can either type PASSWD like this, followed by the username to which you've forgotten the password. However, if you forgot the username as well, there's a way you can go about it. Now, in order to get the username, you have to type grep-i space, then in quotation marks, you are going to need /b $/b like this, then /etc shadow. Now what you are doing is you are trying to grep the line containing added users to the machine from the shadow file. Now you click on enter. Now as you can see here, we have root and then spider. So basically spider is the username to which I've forgotten the password. Now I know the username. Now what I can do is to change the password to spider. To do that, I do PASSWD, then the username, which is spider. When I hit enter, it prompts me to enter the new password, and I'm going to enter the password here. It asks me to retype the password, so I'm going to enter it one more time. And as you can see, it says password updated successfully. Now I can reboot. Okay, reboot. Want to force the reboot here. All right. So now I've changed the password successfully and I'll be able to log in with the password that I have created. Now I'm going to enter the username, which is Spider, then the new password I created, hit enter, and then I've logged in successfully, as you can see from the screen here. All right, up next is to demonstrate how you can reset the password for Ubuntu. But before that, please take this moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and share. All right, next is Ubuntu demonstration. All right, we also want to start the Ubuntu machine. Click on Start. And as opposed to Kali Linux, Kali Linux, we pressed the up or down arrow button or escape. However, for Ubuntu, during boot up, we are going to press the Shift button. So go ahead and click on Start. And while it's starting, we'll press the Shift button to go into the boot menu. Okay, so after pressing the Shift button, you will get this interface. But then you want to highlight Ubuntu. Don't put it here, don't put it here, don't put it here. You want to make sure it's on Ubuntu because this is what we want to edit. Let me cancel this. Okay, so make sure Ubuntu is highlighted. Then press the E button, E, as in E for edit. So go on, press E. And then similar to what we did with Kali Linux, we are going to look for the line containing, starting with Linux or Linux EFI, for instance. And as you can see, we have that line here. So similarly, we are going to edit this line in order to boot into the single user mode and then change the username and password. Sorry, to change the password for a particular username. And then look for this line containing RO, and then RO stands for read only. We want to make it read and write, so we are going to type RW. All right, and then we move to the end of the line, and then we're going to add init bin bash, just like this. And then as usual, we press Ctrl X, Ctrl plus X